Alright,
I have the air rifle. I have the air rifle.
I'm playing with my little brother.
Tawagan mo muna.
Nawagan na nga kita. It's still loading. Skip! You can swim. With sprinting turn.
Ayan, maulan. Kakain
Oxygen
siya.
so
Ano?
collect and
Ano ulamin?
okay, look. Pufferfish. Oh no. It went down.
Nilawang itlog na lang.
Can you get my
Baka
tablet?
kamatis. Wala bang matutuwa kamatis?
Can you get my tablet? Lucky day for me. I got
Ay,
a bunch of time. Oh, a shark! I can catch a shark. Shark.
I can catch a shark. Because look, I have this air rifle.
Palagyan this to mama.
A kraken!
Oh, never mind.
Teka, lapag mo muna dyan. Dito, dito, dito. Lagay mo dyan.
We're going underwater.
Okay, why did we do this?
Wait for me.
I'm going.
Easy now, you're not dead yet. You came here for a just chose you. You don't need to go for the survive down here.
In the
Bottle gun. Wooden tube. Take this one and bring one bottle okay. Leave the oxygen zone, start catching it first. Okay.
Ano yan?
Forgotten? Wait,
Labas mo, makakain.
I have the puffer too.
goes down slowly because you drown and lose some. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's equip this.
Would you like to look at me?
Shoot! Peel! Peel!
There's a puffer fish. It's uncommon. It's uncommon.
Peel! No, it's poisoning me. Ah!
You need to
Shoot.
go back.
Shoot!
What is that?
Why is it not dying?
I see Valentine. It's puffer fish.
Why is it not dying? Keep your balance. What? What? What do you mean?
You can still collect them. But it will worthless. It will be worthless.
Mama, I want to catch that. What? Oh, it's too strong. Shoot this. What? I suck at this. Come on, okay. Keep your balance. Oh!
Kahit gusto niyo cake?
No.
Okay, gusto mo cake. Ganyan ikaw.
Ayoko.
This is like fish.
Ayoko pala. What?
This game's like fish.
But just diving.
I'm still level. Let me up. How can I go up? Oh, it's E.
Halika nga itong cake. Hindi mo lang na.
Air is still in the sea. Let's go to the Kraken. Why would I go there? Sell. How does need something? I'd like to sell everything.
Doon sa mga
$43.
dadal ko kayo ni Penguin. Kasama kami ngayon.
My oxygen tube started. Let's go! Click to open. Guys, start over. What's the oxygen tube?
Kahit ikaw, gusto mo?
Okay. Is this?
How is the shark stronger than my rifle?
Oh, there. This oxygen.
How is the shark stronger than my air rifle?
I don't know. David. Oh, here. Speed, max stab, oxygen.
Tatanong
Yes,
si Ate kagabi,
sir!
yung sinasaksak tong electric.
Look at me.
Okay, races. Well, imagine if we get the rarest race ever. That's not gonna happen. Yes, I got a core. Hey, and I got a core.
I got a narwhal.
Bakit? Ay, kumahuli na lang
Look at me, I got a narwhal.
Take off the chat. What?
Oh yeah, lucky me, I got a narwhal.
I can't click it. The recording is blocked it.
Oh yeah, lucky me.
I can't click the recording's blocked it. Oh, there we go. I clicked it. Flavor. Yes, definitely.
Oh, bloodfish.
5 turtles. No. Completed the puppet. Now I can.
I can seriously get a blobfish.
Now we can go.
What do I get?
Wait, I can kill them. Come on, I need to go.
What do I get? Something like a barracuda? I'm
How do I
random.
shoot this? There we go.
I'm random.
-2.
Am I
That
random?
guy's cheating. Let's go. I got a salmon. Another salmon. Attack. Too heavy. Upgrade your back. I can get this one. You know what? I'm gonna have to wait. First, let me catch this. This one's bigger. +8 progress. How do I get more progress? No oxygen. And how do I get more? How do I get more progress speed?
You need to buy more tubes. Can you see my race? See my race. Oh yeah, see my race.
Sell everything. Wait, I just saw a quest.
Look at
We
me.
have a request from me. You understand the basic steps to building a Dang it! Wait. Yeah. Oh no, I'm not ready. Ah, okay.
Where are you?
I'm here.
I'm gonna go to the
I-
valley.
Beginner's skill.
Oh yeah, she's
Steven, how do I get progress speed? How do I get progress speed? Say again, how do I get progress speed? Say yeah, how do I get progress speed? Yeah, how do I get progress speed? Okay. Just catch this salmon. No. What is this?
I use my oxygen pod.
Oh, it's too strong.
Do you mean the barracuda?
No, it's attacking me.
It's the barracuda.
No, no, I died.
Oh yeah, I drank some oxygen pods.
Respawn. Okay.
Oh yeah, I just drank some oxygen pods.
Okay.
I just drank oxygen pod.
I'll suck at this.
Want this?
Nah.
It's a moss. And then
I'm just gonna grind this.
look at this.
Shoot. And this.
When I'm gonna get the advanced oxygen pod. Oh yeah. I'm gonna
Yes,
go
I
to the ancient sand.
Let's do.
I'm gonna go to the ancient island. This is called the ancient.
It's Isle. It's Isle, not Islet. I'm not level 2. Can I still get this? Oh, I can still get that. I see a gold version. I'm overweight.
I'm gonna get the car.
I'm overweight, but I need to get this gold.
I need a. Oh yeah, I love the ancient sand.
Sprint! Quickly! Quickly! I'm gonna lose oxygen. So, what? Why did the window break? Yeah.
I'm gonna use my advanced.
I got
I'm
one,
going.
two.
I have so much.
Normal 2.
Pwede na ako mag-diet.
This.
Ako pa.
Radar.
Ako kaya mag-control. Na hindi lang pwedeng
Let's go there.
sa tabi ka lang kumukuha, pinakuha mo ang parang
Shoot.
okay.
Shoot. This. What? I'm losing oxygen so fast. No! Oh, it's too fast. It has the valve.
I need.
Why is it moving so fast? Stay there, yes.
I
Oh,
dropped one of my
stay
oxygen pods.
Treasure chest. Come on. Come on. Yes. I got treasure. I need to be quick. Quickly. No, I can't do this. Yes. Let's go. Veralia. Where's Veralia? Come on.
I need to use one of my oxygen pods.
Where's
Use my oxygen
Veralia?
pods. Bro,
Oh, this is.
I'm almost gonna die. Oh yeah, I'm ancient hut.
Yes.
Ay, kinain na
Let's get the quest first.
Dude, how much aim
Wild mossy
does
gold.
this have?
10 mossy gold. I got one. Except 1 minute. Let's go in the water. How do I get that? There we go, there we go. What's that?
I got scorpion fish.
Probably. Oh, it's too strong. No, do not bite me.
Why check the board? Leaderboard. Check the leaderboard.
Can't
I'm
see.
there. Check the chat leaderboard.
No, I'm dying. Yes, I got the liquid salmon. No, it's coming to me. I can't even catch it. This sucks. My gear sucks.
Sarap?
Shoot.
Oh no.
Why is it not dying?
My oxygen! No!
Come on. Just go away.
No!
Get that.
My
Get that
oxygen!
treasure.
Help! I'm dying.
I'm
I'm dying.
I can't drown. I can't drown.
I'm
Go!
drowned. I drowned.
Yes!
I drowned. But I at least have the puffer fish too. But I have it inflatable.
Did you finish it early?
Should I feed this to the Kraken?
Carry any good.
Hey Kraken, want something?
No.
From a Valentine's. It's from HSAT.
Wait, it scammed me. Where's my other one? Who's the... I got... Oh, this is the banana.
Magkano kaya yun?
I got the banana now.
Ha? 300? Wala
Martin.
akong 150.
Shoot.
Hindi ka, yung tinanasitay na islander ba yun? Yung, ano ba yun? Yung,
Should we
mama,
catch?
150 na yun eh.
Bro, di ba?
This.
Mahal.
Should I catch Sharky? You can reach 50. I can reach each 100.
What? Is it bugging? No, that was just lag. Oh, I got better. That's probably worse. So now I got this. I'm on top of it. I think that this feather sucks. What? Oh, I didn't equip the beginner's feather.
Ang mesa.
That's why. There's no way I will use now. So,
I need a block.
I'm missing. There we go. Oh, beginner's guns. No. The guns give you increased progress speed. Oh, I can now get that. Yes, finally. Treasure. No, I can't get the treasure. No! My 20 streak is ending. Catch that. Yes. Oh, shoot. I'm overweight now.
Buy oxygen pods.
I'm broke. I'm broke though.
Tina!
Sell
Alin ng nose? Nasa nose? No!
achievements. Travel.
Nasa nose? Si Audrey, hindi alam.
Traveling castaway.
Nose ba yan?
Iba yung music.
Napang mo to?
You have an Egyptian.
Ano po?
Dive fast.
Matulad na yun eh. Pango.
Wait, I have a potion. I have
Fire this.
George, ba kasama ka rin? Di ba ikaw?
Let me go.
No.
What?
Kaya kasi your mama. You look like little Henry.
It's Mama Hershey. Oh,
Where's Let's, I need one more time.
Look, look.
What does oxygen pods do?
Hello, ganun kamay ko.
increase.
Okay, ito. Talk to that.
Is it a consumable?
Ganun. Talk to that.
Alin na ba?
So it will be gone.
Ibig sabihin nun, kausapin mo.
Ah.
Talk to that. Ganun ka. Talk to that. At talk to
Nah, I
that.
don't want
What?
Go with-
I keep dying because of my adventures.
Why would you go to critical depth?
You look like
No.
little Henry.
I'm gonna die.
Talk na ka na.
Come on, I need this. Attack. No! I catched it earlier. What do you mean? No, it's gonna attack me. Treasure. treasure chest.
Sabi mo, Angel.
They cracked me the spur.
Come on, no oxygen. I'm gonna go to the Valentine's Day. And I fell again. Yes, normal too.
Ayun na.
Didn't I already have this?
Nagmamadali eh.
Oh, it's an old tube. Yes. Maxed up 50. Let's go.
I got the first one.
A point, who is Titan? The Naked Titan.
Sa naked titan daw.
Titan. Kung may cart Titan, may Kurt Titan. O, tinatawag si Odin tuloy.
Big boss.
Ilan ang basilita, Lele?
No. Quest. Here's a plan.
Ganito, Odin. Stop.
Ah, no. Oh, I need the quest. Where's I'm leaving? Oh, what's this guy? Hot lava potion. What?
Silita, Henne.
500. Pull the shot steal moment. How do I get tickets? Okay, two simple ways. Go! There! Shoot! Shoot!
Bati kayo niya.
I can't shoot! Crap! I need the grips. I need to get this.
Asa yung cake?
I need to get this chance. Go!
Why look at the
Get
board?
there! Run!
Leaderboard. Look at the chat leaderboard.
No, I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown! Go! Why are you so close?
Yung gano'n, kaya lang yung sa isang problema, di ko alam eh.
It's fine. I like to sell everything. I leave.
Tama, hindi ako kung
Yes. Oh, I can't.
kailangan Kailangan ko na.
Wait, chat. Look at what I have.
What's the most expensive?
Look at what I have.
Yung package na para may
Still,
sa bag.
Look at that. There's an index in the.
Where?
Ah!
So you follow me.
Bato, bato.
I'm next to the crack pipe.
Atina, bato, bato. Bato.
Let's go down first. Oh, portables.
Kuya, mutawan na.
I need some space. Upgrade my storage. You've got to be kidding me. Is this the...
Ito
You see that shark?
Where? Advanced. I need to get that advanced storage.
Look, there's
Where
someone
are-
holding a shark.
Oh,
Okay nga na, huwag makamukha niya. Pinatawa niya.
show me the bestiary. Claim. Oh, this is the blue tag.
Where are you?
This is the blue tag. I'm here. I saw it. Oh, there, the blue tag. Shoot. Said shoot. Get. Come on. Yes. Yeah. What it's supposed to be the tag? Where can I find the tag? Oh, what's this? I didn't
Pag
see
bumagsak
that.
ang cellphone.
Oh yeah.
Here again. There, shoot. Yes, this is easy now. Yes!
Easy
Go.
now.
Yes! What a shot of it. I did it. Need some. I've completed six. I've completed your quest. Acceptable one. That was just a warm-up. The three depths of the floor. Dang!
Let's go, my 600.
Oh, my turns are really. Oh, the spikes. I already have a beginner skill. Pufferfish. Wait, I forgot what the pufferfish looks like. There's literally kind. There's a smaller one. And I need a Let's get the crab. A pufferfish. Why is this thing big? I already said. Oh, no. How do I kill this thing?
It's inflated, so it's traveling.
So if I'm in a distance, it's not inflated.
Where do you get the sniper?
This is not a sniper.
That was just joke.
Sell.
That was a joke.
50. Okay. Okay, we need. Where can I? Oh, there we go. Fish. One
I see a
down.
giant cat. I see two giant cats.
No, they're stinging me. Shoot. Do not sting me. Don't you dare sting me. No. I can't get down.
Soya. You like to
What? This is the biggest one I got. The pufferfish. Still everything. Darkness. Ah! Let's go! Inside them, I already have all the bags. Oh, no. Wait, I already have another one.
Tapos bumbok din, katulad mo.
silent.
I already found one.
I think that's a great white shark.
Ganun na ba naman yan?
Wait,
Oh, si Mama yan, si Mama po.
gotta get that one first. Salmon, pufferfish.
Hanggang. Hanggang ako pera.
The inflated pufferfish gets rewarded. If that was a pufferfish. Come on. Go, I suck. Inflate! Oh, that was a blue tag. No. We're catching status this way. Come on, I'm... Let's keep the reading.
No.
Oh, it's there. You have scanned.
Kaso, wait, ano ka? Ano daw babakas pa niya? Papa, tawagin si Mami.
Oh, I can see everything. Is there a pufferfish?
Ay, nga, sumayo.
There I see it. Okay, inflate yourself. Now let me shoot you. You said let me shoot you. Okay, no, there's no one. What? Give me that. Give me that. What? Collapse.
O, yung pangalan ulit. Maganda niya. Saan mo na?
Just show this.
Tapos na. Isang ganun lang.
I need to catch a pufferfish, not an inflated pufferfish.
Isa pa, isa pa.
There, black. That's a rock. Oh, let's get more of them.
Ano
Come on, yeah.
Ginagawa ko na yun. Makita.
Go. No, it's coming. No, what do you mean? There's no way.
Kaya ito kala ko na dito. Mama, mama.
I suck at this.
Mapakabuksan na nga. Ito ko na yun.
So let's get this. And let's get more. Now let's get this again.
Sa
Now
taas.
let's get more. No, this got to be. This is my worst day ever.
Kumahandal yung nasa taas eh. Kumahandal ba yung mandal? O yan, mandal pa na. Ano
Talaga.
yung kumahandal ka mo? Yan yung nasa gitna, hindi siya abutin yan na. Hindi mo pinapapisan. Eh bakit pa tayong tulo? Oo, ito. Niliguan mo.
So let's see.
Teka nga.
Bakit?
Pero pagamitin mo mga.
Salpos. Mahi, mahi. I need this. No, okay guys, that's the end of the video. Bye. Ending the video.